Hello everybody, I'm Wendy and I live in Narberth from Wendy's Craft. Oh, look at me hiding all of that. Wendy's Crafting, and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Well, today I'm going to make a little shaker card. It's like a get well soon card is going to be. I'm going to be using the Make a Splash stamp set. And oh, there it is. And some of these are the snow globe domes. I don't know whether this is still available. The autumn catalogue or mini catalogue will be out in a couple of months. I think maybe next month or the month after. So then we'll have a look, see if they're there. So now then, I'm starting with Sahara Sand. Was that Sahara Sand? Oh, I forgot to tell you. Right, what I've done here, because I didn't buy the dies to go with the stamp set, which was silly of me because you do get a 10% discount if you do that. And sometimes this set of dies got another little something that there isn't a stamp for, usually a bit of foliage or something. So what I've been doing this morning was I drew around my dome. I went to my Cindy Scan and Cut, and I set the sizes to 5.7 centimetres by 6.5 centimetres. So if you draw around it, set those, then you will get a nice little fit. It's obviously not like that, but we'll see. And what I've also done is I've put this backing on. Now this is going to be the backing for the shaker card. So with my first one I did completely wrong. So I thought, okay, let's try again, shall we? No, it's still wrong with me, isn't it? Yes, it is, right. Oh dear. What I'm going to draw a circle lightly with your pencil. Don't worry, all of these will rub off. That'll be no problem. Now you stamp it, because now you know where you're going to stamp it and where everything's going to be. Some of the stamping will hide the line. Right, that's what I did. Offer that back up to see where you are. Yeah, that's okay. Right, so that was Sahara Sand. Might get a delivery later soon, so you'll probably see me vanishing, but I'll be back. Right, now then, I'm going to use next. I'm going to be using the two plants. No, I've lost one actually. So where has that gone? I mean, do you know, I might actually be clever enough to have put it. Look at it straight in front of me. I can't find that anywhere now. Oh well, not to worry. It'll turn up by the time I finish. I'll finish before it turns up, I should say. Right, just shut the Sahara Sand. I'm now going to use garden green. Right. Ah, there it is. Look, told you. So I'm going to use the garden green for these. Just stamp once and stamp off. So there's one plant. I'm putting everything over here so that it all, I can wash them all at the same time then. And then for this next one, the longer one, finger in the ink. There, that one goes right. Ink shut. The garden green's a little bit a very difficult one to close for some reason. Now, because I'm doing coral, I'm going to use Calypso coral. Every time I hear the word Calypso coral, I can imagine all these tin drums. They're not called tin drums, are they? All of those going, whatever they go. I'm not going to start singing now. You don't want to hear me singing. Not this. So I'm going to put one there. And again, just stamp one behind him. So that's that one done. Right, now then we get to the front. Put that to one side and not forget to rub them out. Or that one. Let's rub this one out now, shall we? There we go. Right, close Calypso coral. You know, you could use less of the colours, but I don't know. I just feel in a colourful mood today. Probably would look nice in just, you know, just black and white, well, or whatever, you know what I mean. Can't think of what it's called now. Right, now I'm using pumpkin pie. Oh, that's juicy, isn't it? That one. You know what I did, don't you? I stuck the stamp upside down. Oh my word! You know, I will never, well, I'm saying never say never. I won't prepare for them anymore. Because it's not working when Wendy prepares things, is it? Oh dear. Put two little crabs down there. That can go there. Oh, itchy nose, right. Want some fish, and couldn't decide which ones I should get. Right, I'm going to put the pumpkin pie away. And I'm going to bring out, where's it gone? Ah, there we go. Coastal Cabana. Why not, eh? Where's the fish gone? Oh, there we go. Right, so I'm just going to put this fish on there. And I'm just going to, yeah. Not as juicy as pumpkin pie, I see. Never mind. So what I'm going to do with these now, I'm going to put some along the top there. Look, you've got a shoulder fish here. I just hope I've left enough room now for... Yeah, that should be right, shouldn't it? What I'm going to do, I just want the head of this to come around there. Ah, there we go. Phew. As you know, none of that should have happened at all like that. Right, now then, what we're going to do now is... Oh, sit down and have a drink, I think. Right. That looks lovely on its own, doesn't it? Let me think. Do you know I'm going to leave him on his own? Yeah, because I thought otherwise it's getting too fussy, isn't it? What is it? Let's rub this out first, shall we? See, the lighter you do it, then the easier it's going to be to rub out. But what you must remember to leave it dry. Now then, do I do that? Or do I do that? No, I'm going to do this. I know I've got a bit of blub on there, but I'm not too worried about that. I am, however, going to be putting all of these back over there. First of all, now then, I'm going to... These have got stickers both sides. So there's one. That's on the outside. So if you lay that down, just press it together. You know, that's going to be a different feel it in my bones. Right, and then after that's done, we need to take the other pokey tool. That's what I should have. I lost the top of my pokey tool, so went to get it yesterday, stabbed myself in the hand. Right, before I put that on, which is well exactly what I was going to do. Oopsie daisy, I don't think I need that many, do I? But that much, or a bit less again, I think. So obviously, don't pull that sticky off until you've put enough of the sequins in. What I did here, I've got two different colours sequins. Here we are. And now it's going to be fun, isn't it? But actually, look at that. Hey! Oh, now I feel clever. Oh dear, that doesn't usually bode well, does it? Right, I'm just going to put that there, leave that there, because I'm putting it onto a card. Oh, hang on, I haven't put the get well soon bit. Where is it? Oh, here we are. No, I haven't left room, have I? Oh. Now I'm going to have to do this upside down now, aren't I? Don't forget to put the get well soon on also. I'll tell you what, I'll stamp it on the inside. Because what I thought was, you see, after I've done those, there'd be enough room up there to do it, but guess there isn't. Right, get my glue. Glue. Make sure you've got plenty on. Just line it up where you want it now. Smooth it down. Not like that. Oh, dear me. I've given myself an uneven border, that's the problem. I do like uneven borders, but they don't always work very well. Obviously with this you can't turn it upside down to press it. So let me put the lid on this now. And I think I will use a blue one, because probably a little boy's card, and if it was a little girl's card, you could put pink sequins in there, and you could use then the Calypso coral. Making sure that's well inked. So I'm not banging it, I'm just gently rubbing, gently rocking it, which again is something I shouldn't do. Right, put that there. I put a get well soon. And then, because I like the crab so much, I'm going to stick him down the bottom there. Oops. there we go. My very first shaker cards. And what I'll do now, that after that's dried, I'll get this rubber and I can just rub over that and it'll all come off. By the time I take a photograph, that will all be off there. Okay, so thank you very much for putting up with me today, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.